This is a Clan Crusader driveshaft. It's not just any Clan Crusader driveshaft though, it's just been refurbished by Mike Dent of Imp Competition Parts. It's been beautifully shot blasted and painted. In fact, the paint finish is better than the top half of my car, I've got to admit. It's got a rally proven universal joint, so it will do the business when it's on the car, if it's on the car, we'll come to that. It's got a few tricks of the trade, but I better not show you too many of those because they kind of are trade secrets when you deal with someone with Mike's rally experience. And it's got a beautifully located grease nipple. Not something I expected to say this evening, but say it I have. Here's the problem. I think it's a little bit too handsome to fit on my Clan Crusader, or any Clan Crusader for that matter, because, well, look at it. It's a work of art. So I've got a better idea. My wife doesn't know, but it is a good idea. Come with me. Check the coast is clear. And we put it on the mantelpiece. It's beautiful. Thanks, Mike.